In this video, I'll show you how to create a rapid shutter effect in After Effects. Begin by adding all of the video clips you want to use inside of a folder, then drag that folder onto the timeline, hide the visibility of all of the layers except the very bottom one, then open Effects and Presets window, search for Transform, add Transform to the bottom layer, then search for Directional Blur, and also add it to the bottom layer. Now from the start of the timeline, move the playhead 5 frames forward, then in Effect Controls uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle and set it to 360 to add motion blur. Then under Transform, create a keyframe for position by clicking on the stopwatch icon, and for the blur length under Directional Blur. Now press U on a keyboard to see the keyframes on the timeline, move the playhead back to the start of the clip, and decrease the second position value to move the clip up out of sight. Also set blur length to 20. Now move 4 frames forward from here, that will be just before the second keyframe, and also set blur length to 20. Now back in Effect Controls, click somewhere, then Ctrl or Command A to select both effects, Ctrl or Command C to copy them. Now move the playhead to the start of all of the video clips, select the rest of the video clips by selecting the second layer at the bottom, hold Shift, then select the very top layer, that'll select everything in between, and then press Ctrl or Command V to paste the effects. Now bring back their visibility from here. Now move the playhead to 10 frames, then click away to make sure you're not selecting any particular layers, then go up to Edit, Split Layer or Ctrl-Shift-D as the shortcut, then delete the rest. Now we need to sequence these layers out, and we're going to do that automatically by selecting the bottom layer, then hold Shift, select the top layer, right click, Keyframe Assistant, Sequence Layers, make sure overlap is enabled, and in the duration type 4, then click OK. Now everything's automatically sequenced, and here's our rapid shutter effect.